Good afternoon, children of class 5. Coming back to your English language class. Today is Monday, fresh day, next week. Okay, in the last week we have completed up till B. So today we will start from C. One thing, till then many of you have written the homework in the copy and sent it back to me. Children don't need to do it in the copy again because everything is planned and well prepared in the book. So do it in the book itself. Okay, no need to copy down in the copy. So দেখি আমরা কি বলেছে এখানে identify the conjunctions and interjections and write them in the correct column on the next page. So some sentences have already been given over here. Number 1 has been underlined. Just like this, you have to find out the interjection and conjunction from the given sentences. What is conjunction? Conjunction is the connecting word that connects two words or two sentences. দুটো word বা দুটো sentence কে যে word connect করে জুড়ে রাখে তাকে বলা হয় conjunction. What is interjection? Interjection means when you express some feelings like oh ho, aha, wow, excellent, superb, mind blowing. এই ওয়ার্ডসগুলোতে তোরা সবাই ইউজ টু বিকজ এই ওয়ার্ডসগুলো তোরা ইউজ করেই থাকিস কোনো বন্ধু কোনো দারুণ খাবার আনলে আমরা কী বলি ইয়ামি ডিলিশিয়াস এই যে দিজ আর দ্য এক্সপ্রেশনস অফ দ্য ফিলিংস উইচ ইউ আর হ্যাভিং ইনসাইড ইউর মাইন্ড অ্যান্ড হার্ট তো আমাদেরকে এই সেন্টেন্স থেকে উই হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড আউট কনজাংশন অ্যাজ ওয়েল অ্যাজ ইন্টারজেক্টিভ ওয়ার্ডস সো লেটস সি উই ওয়ান্টেড টু গো টু দ্য ফেয়ার বাট it was already late. Now children, we wanted to go to the fair. This is one sentence. It was already late. This was another sentence. But this is the word but which has joined these two sentences very nicely. And so the full meaning of the sentence is coming out. Amra mela, fair mane mela. Amra mela jete cheyechilam kintu amra already late hoye gechilam. So mela jete parini. Understood? So in this sentence there is no interjection. Wait! This is the exclamatory mark. This is the exclamatory mark. এই মার্কটা আছে মানেই জানবে that word is an interjective word. This word is the symbol of interjection, and if there is this symbol used in any sentence, then the word next to which this symbol has been used, that word is an interjective word. Okay? So here we can find the symbol. Wait, be careful when you cross the bridge. Wait, stop, be careful, see, here and there when you cross the bridge, when you're crossing the bridge. So wait is the interjective word and there is no other conjunction. There are a few books in the library on botany, but I have read them all. এখানে অনেকগুলো বই ছিল বটানির ওপরে কিন্তু আমি সবকটাই পড়ে নিয়েছি. So but is the conjunction. You've already seen in the first sentence. The rivers dried up because there was no rain. The river dried up, one sentence. There was no rain, another sentence. Because is the connector. So this is the conjunction. Oh no! Again, interjective sign. I forgot we have test today. Hey Bhagwan, I forgot. Oh no! Arey na, আমি তো ভুলেই গেলাম আজকে টেস্ট আছে. So this is interjective word. Hush! The teacher is looking at you. Shh! Teacher takiye ache. So this is the interjective word. We can wait here or we can go sit inside the coffee shop. আমরা এখানে ওয়েট করতে পারি কিংবা আমরা ভেতরে গিয়ে কফি শপে বসতেও পারি. So or is the conjunction. She had missed the bus yet she reached the swimming class on time. ও বাসটা মিস করে গেছিল তবুও ও সুইমিং ক্লাসে ঠিক মতন পৌঁছে গেছিল. So yet is the conjunction. The food has become rotten. ফুডটা পচে গেছে. So this is the interjective word. Wow, is this the new bag you were telling me about? Wow, এটা কি নতুন ব্যাগ? So this is the interjective word. So children, you must have understood which is interjection and which is conjunction. I have already marked it out. So this was C. Now this is D. Complete these sentences with the correct adverb or adjective from the box. Now adverb and adjective I have already explained. You have done it. You know pretty well what is adverb, what is adjective. So this question is going to be your homework. Okay, this is going to be your homework. Once again I am explaining. Frequently মানে যেটা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি পরপর হতে থাকে, eager মানে ভীষণ জানার আগ্রহ, জাননে কি ইচ্ছা, slowly আস্তে, early খুব সকালে বা ভোরে বা তাড়াতাড়ি, calm quiet শান্ত ধীর স্থির, since যদিও, quietly মানে চুপচাপ শান্তভাবে, worried when you are tensed কোনো কিছু নিয়ে চিন্তায় আছো, tiny very small, cheerful happily. So these are the meanings I have explained to you. Now these are the sentences given. Read the sentences, try to understand the meaning and then match up with the given words given at the top. Okay, so this is going to be your homework. And here is also conjunction and preposition. Only write the answers in the book. No need to copy it down in your copy. Understood? And this is make sentence. So children, these are the homeworks of today. You will submit this homework to me on Friday. You will submit this homework to me on Friday. The whole week you are getting the time. I am giving this homework because all these things individually I have explained. Only interjection and conjunction was left, which I have explained now, and I believe you must have understood. So do this homework, these 4 questions, D, E, and F. These 3 questions you will do homework, D, E and F. Okay, you will do and send it back to me on Friday, coming Friday. Understood? So best of luck, do it nicely and send it back to me. And if you have any doubt, you are having my personal WhatsApp number. You can ping me over there. I'll explain the specific part to you. Okay children, thank you.